Hello everyone, good morning. This is me Avishka and the bulletin today starts with India and US to develop AI infrastructure roadmap by year end. OpenAI plans to set up data center in India by 2025. Google integrates VO2 AI model for YouTube Shorts video generation. New FASTag rules from February 17, stricter balance validation. Zen Technologies unveils advanced AI-powered military systems. Hikvision expands AI-powered IoT solutions with C smarter technology. And at last, we have Lava, which launches Prowatch X smartwatch in India with health and GPS features. In the previous quiz, we asked you what is the full form of CV, and the answer is curriculum vitae. It's time. Let's start with the first news. India and the US will collaborate to accelerate AI infrastructure through the newly launched US-India Trust Initiative. The initiative aims to enhance investment in AI data centers, increasing access to computing power, and encourage partnerships between governments, academia, and private sectors. A roadmap will be developed to address financing challenges, AI model development, and data center expansion. The move comes as India plans to acquire 19,000 GPUs for startups and research, while the US is investing $500 billion in AI infrastructure. The development also follows China's rise in AI with its cost-effective DeepSeek model, which challenges US firms like OpenAI. The US has also imposed restrictions on AI chip exports, affecting India's access. However, both nations aim to foster AI innovation while maintaining security and regulatory controls. Now, OpenAI is exploring the establishment of a data center in India, according to a report by Business Standard. While no official details have yet been released, the move is expected to support Indian users and neighboring regions. OpenAI is currently in discussions with data center operators, with the process expected to be completed in 2025. The company primarily relies on Microsoft's Azure cloud and US-based servers for global operation. OpenAI CEO Sam Altman recently emphasized India's significance in the AI industry, stating that the country is among OpenAI's fastest growing markets. India's AI ecosystem has seen rapid expansion, prompting global tech giants to invest in local infrastructure. Meanwhile, the US is ramping up AI efforts, with former President Donald Trump announcing a $500 billion private sector investment for AI infrastructure under the Stargate project. Now, Google has enhanced its Dream Screen feature on YouTube Shorts by integrating its latest AI-powered video generation model, VO2. The update allows creators to generate custom video backgrounds and standalone clips using text prompts. VO2 improves realism by understanding real-world physics, human movement, and cinematic styles. AI-generated content will include synth ID watermarks for transparency. Initially, the feature is rolling out in the US, Canada, Australia, and New Zealand with plans for global expansion. To use it, creators can enter a prompt via the short camera, select an image, and generate a video. VO2 enables the creation of high-quality videos across various themes, further enhancing creative possibilities for Shorts users. Then we have, starting February 17, 2025, the National Payments Corporation of India will implement stricter FASTag balance validation rules. If a FASTag remains blacklisted or has a low balance for over 60 minutes before reaching a toll, it will be declined with error code 167. Last-minute recharges may no longer work, meaning users must ensure sufficient balance in advance. Previously, users could top up their FASTag at toll booths and proceed. To avoid disruption, users should regularly check their FASTag status via the NCPI portal or their issuer's alerts. FASTags can be blacklisted due to insufficient balance, expired KYC, or legal issues related to the vehicle. To unblock a blacklisted FASTag, users must recharge the account, confirm the payment, and wait for activation. Keeping an updated FASTag will prevent unnecessary toll payment delays and travel issues. Now, Zen Technologies has introduced a suite of next-gen combat and training solutions at Aero India 2025, reinforcing India's leadership in defense technology. The company showcased an AI-powered drone-based attack and defense system for hyper-realistic training, an indigenous propulsion system for UAVs to enhance operational efficiency, and an AI-driven airborne killer drone system with autonomous target detection. Additionally, the tactical engagement simulator was unveiled to improve soldier training with advanced drone engagement features. The new technologies are entirely developed in-house, aligning with India's self-reliance goals in defense. These solutions aim to enhance battlefield readiness, mission effectiveness, and global security. The launch follows the introduction of Zen AI-powered defense systems by the Chief of Defense Staff earlier in the event, making a significant leap in India's military capabilities. Now, Hikvision has expanded its AI-powered Internet of Things solution under its C Smarter technology. Enhancing security and analytics capability, the system integrates AI to improve object detection, motion analysis, and perimeter protection. Key features include AccuSense technology for distinguishing between humans and vehicles, automatic number plate recognition for vehicle management, and facial recognition for secure access control. Self-learning analytics optimize accuracy over time, reducing cost and improving response time. Additionally, innovations include PPE detection for workplace safety, people counting for business insights, and AI-driven security monitoring. Hikvision's AIoT solution streamlines surveillance and operational efficiency, providing smart automation for businesses and security agencies. By leveraging deep learning algorithm, Hikvision aims to transform AI-powered security applications, offering cost-effective and scalable solutions for industries worldwide. Last but not the least, Lava sub-brand Prowatch has launched the Prowatch X in India, featuring health tracking, built-in GPS, and Bluetooth. Priced at Rs 3,499, the smartwatch is available for pre-orders from February 14 to 18, sales starting on Flipkart from February 21. It features a 1.43-inch AMOLED display with Gorilla Glass 3 protection, 110 plus customizable watch faces, and IP68 water resistance. The watch includes VO2 max measurement, heart rate variability tracking, SpO2 monitoring, and over 110 sports modes. Powered by the ATD3085C for dual-core chipset, it supports Bluetooth 5.3 for seamless connectivity and offers up to 10 days of battery life. Additional features include Find My Watch, AQI monitoring, quick replies, and structured running courses. Buyers can avail a Rs 1,000 discount using select bank cards. This was it for today's news. For more such tech updates, make sure you stay tuned to IT Voice.